Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to see city intimation for Neet. First, navigate to the official Neet examination website. Once there, look for the candidate login area, usually prominent on the home page. You will need your unique application number and the password you created during registration. Carefully input these credentials to access your personal dashboard. This initial step is crucial for retrieving your city intimation slip. Once you are successfully logged into your dashboard, scan the page for a link specifically labeled City Intimation Slip. This link is your gateway to discovering your assigned examination city. Clicking on it will display a document detailing your preliminary test location. Remember, this slip is for city intimation only and is not your final admit card. It helps you plan your travel arrangements in advance. The city intimation slip serves a specific purpose: to inform you of the city and state where your examination will be held. It's important to note that this document will not provide the exact address of your test center. That crucial information, including the building name and specific location, will be available on your official admit card. Use this intimation to make necessary travel and accommodation plans without delay. Always keep an eye on the official examination website for updates regarding your admit card. The admit card, which includes your precise exam center address and reporting time, will be released separately. Make sure to download and print multiple copies once it's available. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Planning ahead ensures a smooth examination day experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.